They're shy. Still shy. They'll be shy for probably today and tonight. I've set them up here in my room with toys and food and litter boxes. And once they assimilate, which should happen within the next 24 to 48 hours, then I will move their litter boxes into a more central area of the house, because God knows I don't want litter boxes in my room. They're shy about coming out of their carrier right now, so I'm not really pushing it. I imagine they'll come out at some point to eat and go potty. What do you think? What do you think? Their names are Graham, Marshmallow, and S'more. Cute names. These are not the kittens that were supposed to come to my house. These kittens are about a week older than those kittens. Those kittens may join, but I heard that today they're sick. They all started eating kitten food, and they all got sick. They weren't ready. So we got these little babies instead. And if we get the others, that's cool. If we don't, that's cool too. 6 kittens is a lot. That would make 9 cats here, and that would be a whole lot for me. I usually don't like to do more than 3 kittens at a time. Their surgery is June 6th. So they'll be here for about probably 4 weeks total, which is plenty of time to bond and do what they need to do to get ready to go to PetSmart. Yay! Good job. Yeah. They're not as shy as some kittens I've had. Orion and Rigel. They come to mind because they were 2 little white kittens also. These are 2 white kittens and a tabby. Orion and Rigel were extremely shy, bordering on feral. They were at my house for a week. Within 5 days, they were tame, happy, joyful little kittens, and they got adopted together very fast. Anyway, this is the first video of these kittens. I noticed the tabby's hanging back. I haven't yet checked to see which one is boy, or I think it's 2 boys and a girl. I can't remember. 2 boys and a girl, or it's 2 girls and a boy. Yes, ma'am.
Mom?
Yeah.
Mom?
What?
Are there kittens? Where are they?
Right here.
Kittens. Soren's here. Oh!